ki khubor ka bate si TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that. Oh.
General Secretary Jung North Eastern Hills University Student Union Samla Tuni Ho Kharsati ulapan mana bagi Samla Pulia jaga sekolah ba Nihu kintangai biteng ben pelong yaga Ïakhih dek basong sha jingin tada hadu bu Professor PS Shukla undahir Nagashuki Vice Chancellor jaga sekolah ba Nihu habakaran cikilar pathai kubor kibidang biteng yaga sha jingin mentala palat san phaukinta uni unang yalam jaga Nihu su ula pharu ya ukrwo shika sarkar India lakan jiat ya uni Vice Chancellor ni yaki Samla Pulia.
Leaders, this kind of administrators, this kind of officers in our university. No. He himself, he is using the services of the university whatsoever he can. He is utilizing our university's vehicle. He is having his luxury at his home, coming on time, using the back door, not coming from the front door, because he is afraid of the students who are sitting out here that how he will answer our question. You all must have been seeing that the kind of interactions that we had in his office, it was not a very conducive one. It was not a very fruitful one. And despite of knowing the students are not satisfied with his answers, what is this person doing? Going for book fair, attending all sorts of programs as if nothing is happening in our institution. This kind of attitude we do not respect, we do not accept. Let him not treat us as just mere students. Just because we are not having equal amount of degrees, equal amount of qualification as them, it doesn't mean that we do not have rights. We have equal amount of rights. We do not deserve this. None of you, none of us, as I've been mentioning since day one, we gain nothing from this. We gain nothing. None of our members. Instead, we are risking our lives, we are risking our health for the future of the students' community. And if the VC cannot take decisions promptly, then I think it's better we don't need him. We don't need him as we have started this hunger strike. We have started this indefinite hunger strike with a note that he shall resign. And let me tell you all that we are not stepping back with this demand of ours. We will continue this hunger strike and we will continue till the end until the bicep. And with this, I would like to inform you all that it is a clear message to the administration, to the government of India, that it is us or him. It is us or him. You have to choose the students or this incompetent Vice Chancellor. It is our humble request that days to come, the better will be more stronger, as you have seen how adamant he is. We don't know for how long we will be able to sit there, but as long as our mental, physical and emotional health is supporting us, we will be sitting for the sake of the welfare of the students. And at the same time, we request you all that we really appreciate you since the day we have set for this hunger strike, indefinite hunger strike. You have been supporting us like anything and we are really overwhelmed. We appreciate all the kind of efforts that we are getting from all communities of the university, be it the teachers, the non-teaching staff, and especially the students. Let us all give a direct message to the government of India. The university is for students, and if not students, then no university at all. Thank you so much.